Hello guys, it's me again, out for a walk. And today the weather is not that good. As you can clearly see, maybe there will be some rain at some point, but for now it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I think the silence in the beginning was killing a lot of viewers off because I didn't get any response from any of you or any comments, so maybe this is a bad idea. But for now I'm still just going to upload one long video a week, and as you can clearly see, I do not have my shaver with me in Sweden, so this beard is running wild at the moment. Even my hair is getting a little long, or I should say the hair I got back, which is not that much, but it still comes. Yeah. But right now it's a very nice temperature. I would say about 25 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold, just as I like it. Let's see how long it goes before the sweat starts coming in. At the moment it's all dry on the head. Maybe you guys should see what I see. We're actually going down this road. I'm on my way down to a river and got some very nice views. I've been doing a lot of short videos from there just because the nature is so beautiful, and I really do enjoy getting out and just seeing things. Maybe next time I'm going to Sweden, I will start doing some other trails I haven't been on. But at the moment I'm just going with the ones I know. It just makes things easier. Don't have to think so much, you can just enjoy the walk. And this is actually an old farm, as you can see. People still live here. It's not that nice to have a road going through your farm, but that's just how it is. And as you can see, this is also a part of the trail system. Wet and right. Yeah, so at the moment the short videos are going very good. Last time I had something like 2,000 views in a couple of hours, and that's huge. So something is happening, and I'm starting to see the growth. Maybe it's just have to keep fueling the fire, as you say. Yeah. But I would also like to start uploading some long form videos, because future wise, if I want this YouTube thing to be some kind of job, we need some long form videos, because the numbers on shorts are insane. You need like something like 9 million views in 3 months, and I'm at like, I don't know, 120,000 in 3 months. So there's a huge gap between 100,000 and 1 million, and I haven't even got one video to hit over 2,000 yet. So at the moment it's going good. it could go better. Maybe if we start hitting like 10,000 views a day. I don't think there's so much people that enjoy this niche of me just walking around, filming nature. But I enjoy it, and that's the most important part, because if I don't like it anymore, it's just not fun. And this is not supposed to be something negative, or I really do enjoy just getting out and just enjoying walking, talking, and I might as well do some videos on it, and you guys can see some of the Swedish nature. Oh, that was hard to say. At the moment I'm getting killed by flies. So many of them. Maybe I stink. I don't think so, but maybe I do. And this, like last time, is just going to be an uncut, just me talking, walking kind of video. But like I said last time, I would like to get some feedback, just something, even if it's bad. I just want to know. Either that, I'm just in the, what you call it, I'm just in the dark. I don't know if people want to see this or they don't want to see this. So please comment, do something, tell me I'm an idiot or tell me I'm doing good. Just something. We need the feedback, guys. I need the feedback. Besides that, I'm just going to keep uploading shorts. As you can see here, look at this drop off. We are going to the river down there, and there's a very, very nice view a couple of times. First one is off an old bridge. The next one, we're going out on some of the what do you call it? I don't know. I will show you. I don't even know the English word. But for now, you can just enjoy the walk. Hey. As you can see, I'm not alone on this trail. This is a much more used trail than the one I was on last time. Just because the views on this trail is just insane. And I think people look it up on the internet before they come here. So when they are here, they want to see the waterfall and just the river in general. The river is called Lagan in Swedish. Well, that's the name in English and Danish too. I don't think the names change, but the name of the river is Lagan, and it's a huge river going and across Sweden almost. Maybe I'm just talking shit now, but just I think that is how big it is. Well, maybe it's a lie. Who knows? And we're coming up to the bridge now, and I will let you guys see the view. Some of you have seen this bridge on my short videos. I even have the old steps here I was doing a short about. Going down, insane views right here. on this. This is what I love. Look at this. And there's not a lot of water in it today. You can see a lot of rocks. It's much more filled. But now we're gonna go like 10 minutes that way. So and I must say, this part of talking to the camera is actually getting easier, and that's a good thing, because that's the whole plan. If it wasn't getting easier, maybe this was not something for me, but at the moment it's going great. I don't mind. Hello. As I said, there's a lot of people on this trail, and I don't want to record people when they're just out walking. So when someone else is here, I will just be silent and maybe hold the camera to my face and not on the trail. But oh, look at this big boy right here. Now that's a huge snail right there. In Denmark they are called killer snails, just because they eat everything in your garden. So in Denmark you actually have to kill them if you see them. But in Sweden I think there's other rules. As you can see, look at this, guys. Look at this. So peaceful. Oh, I just love coming here. I've done this trail so many times. Oh, someone is out running. That is a way to do it. Not for me, because I'm in bad shape, but it's certainly a way to get out in nature. It goes all the way river, and this is just a small section of the river, as you can see. But this trail is just nice. So, what have you guys been up to? Yeah, guys, are you on holiday? Or is it just in Scandinavia we got holidays at the moment? I know we got that 3 to 4 weeks of vacation in the summer every year. And we'll also have 2 more weeks. One in October, and I think the last one is in January or February. I can't remember. So we actually we get 6 weeks every year of vacation, which is very nice, and one of the perks of living and working in Denmark. I know a lot of foreigners are coming to Denmark these years to get vacations and to get educations, even a very good health system. Isn't that what it's called? I think so. You know me and my English. Very nice. And here comes some more people. So I'm just gonna hold it close. Hello.
Hi.
Here we go. And we are almost at the little waterfall. But look at this trail right here. How it's just... This must have taken so long to build. Someone has actually put down all these stones one by one. That is an insane job. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. You can actually hear the waterfall now. There's a lot of noise. I don't know how good my microphone on the telephone is. I hope you can hear it. But as we get closer, I think it will not be a problem. You guys are going to hear it. Oh yes, oh yes. We are out here. Let's check for Oh, it's starting. 15 minutes. That's 5 more than last time, but to my defense, the last video started going uphill and this one did not. So maybe that's part of the reason. And when we get down to the waterfall, I don't think there's any point of me talking, because I don't think you can hear me at all. There's so much noise, maybe even now, I don't know. But now we'll go down to the waterfall and you guys can see it, and I will see you after. Look at this. Told you, insane views. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure do. And now we are going back to the trail. But first, have a look at this. Are you ready? That is insane. Just love this place. It looked like something out of a movie. And it just goes on and on and on. I like it. I like it. And now the sweat is here. I don't know if you can see it. Whoopty whoopty. A little sweaty. That's just me. I'm a sweaty kind of guy, if you know what I'm saying. Ooh. So, guys, like last time. You need to tell me if this is something you want to see, or you just want me to not upload these long form videos because I'm better at the short ones, or my English sucks, or whatever. At the moment, I'm enjoying every little bit of it. So if you guys enjoyed too, it would be lovely if you could tell me, so I get some kind of feedback. At the moment, I'm actually just talking to myself. For real. Me, myself, and I, and videos. But clearly there's a lot of views. So some people must be watching. Don't be shy. Just comment. I'll reply and I'll be nice. I promise. So it's been me, Mikkel. Maybe I will see you in the next one, or you can just keep following the short videos. I'm out. Peace, guys.